All right, guys. So we got gifted this bird feeder here, and we are about to post it up on our piece right here. So I think I have everything that I need. I'm going through the directions. We're going to walk through this together so that we can make this happen. It is going to be super exciting to do this. So first things first, let's go ahead and take a look at our user guide and manual, and then our setup instructions. We do also have a couple printed out pre-formed pieces here, which is super important. This is going to be your drill holes already showing there, which I love that. Hold on, we got another one right here. So two different pre-drill holes. We want to save that, put that in the pocket so I don't lose it for later. And then we have a quality check guide. Let's go ahead and open up our user manual here, see if it has any good stuff for installation. So it's going to tell operating instructions, assembly of the bird feeder. We have to make that happen. Micro USB card. So SD card is not included in this. Keep that in mind. Assembly of the bird feeder. We need to put it all together. Wi-Fi setup. We got to get it set up on the Wi-Fi. Adding the camera. Adding the camera. Adding the camera. Now it's going to be drilling instructions. So we need to do wall installation. Is going to be on the back. So we got to make sure that happens as well. Let's go ahead and go a step further. See what else we're working with. There is an option to put it on a pole, and that's it too. All right, so from instructions, from what I saw in here, is we're actually going to be using this unit. This is what we're going to be using to install. Let's go ahead and see. We have a box of goodies here, so we can take a look. A couple different screws to choose from to install everything. They do give you a bunch of different options, which is super nice. To make your install, we don't need any of those. So we're able to choose some different drywall and anchoring screws for it. These are some set ones that come along with it. They do give you a screwdriver, which is super cool. And then here is a different mount instruction as well. So if you need to mount it to this ball, you can do that. And then what you can do is you can set it up on the bottom. But I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to use the actual mount itself. So you could use the ball mount if you want to. I'm going to use the actual mount itself. That's what I'm going to do. So we're going to take and put our mount on. That's what we're going to make happen. So I got 3 screws, 3 in there. Okay. Let's see which screws we want to use. I think I want to use the longer ones. Go and get these guys out. And because I'm going straight into wood, I don't need any anchors. Keep that in mind. Just need 2 of these guys. Okay, there we go. Set this to the side so we don't break it. Rotate. With you guys, I'm going to show you what I'm working with here. Hopefully you can see that. Now up above, we're going to be right up here. Just be careful what you're doing. So we're going to go right here. I have some wires and stuff that we have some things mounted out. I'm going to take this, let's see, and I'm going to put it up here on the unit. No, it's really hard to see. And then we're going to make sure it's level. Just like that. Just like that. We got some pre-drill holes. That is easy. So now that we have our 2 screws right here, not sure how easy it is for you guys to see in the sun. We're going to go ahead and put these guys in. Just like that. Just like so. Now we have our bracket. So you're able to get your bracket right here. See this bracket? What we're going to do is we're going to take the bracket, pop over our screws, and I did them a little too tight. That's okay. Oops. that one. We're good to go. Let me grab this other one that I dropped. Actually took it too far out. It's all right. Okay. Now we're nice and level. Easy peasy, like that. Screw these guys all the way in, so it's not gonna move. And there you have it. So our bracket is on, no problems whatsoever. Let's see if I can get you guys a little bit closer to what I'm working with here. Oh yeah, absolutely. So there's our bracket on, which makes everything super simple. Let me get you a flat ground. Okay. Now, at this point in time, what it's going to look like is our bird feeder is actually going to sit on the unit. There's little holes like that, so it's going to sit on the unit just like so. Now mine's tilted a little bit just because how the pole is. So you're going to see it's a little bit tilted, but that's okay. You can choose the angle that you want and rotate it however you want to. We do have a set screw that's going to go in the bottom, but we do have to finish putting this together. That's super important. So we're going to make that happen right now. We have the unit here. Let me grab some of these other pieces. Show you what we're working with here. Don't lose me now. So we got a couple other things we need to put on this unit at this point in time. So we have the grate that needs to go on the bottom piece, which we'll get to. There's a set screw for that. We have this little ball piece, this little extra bulb here that needs to go in. We'll make that happen. Now it does show this on the unit itself, kind of where everything goes, kind of tells you where all that is, which is super important. And how it is all set up is right here. Makes it very, very easy. We'll keep this to the side. So first things first, we want to clip on the top piece. So from a top piece perspective, this goes on. Nope. Like that. The open piece goes on the back of it, and it's going to clip down. So see how it opens up? There's a clip right here. It's going to clip down, and it's going to hold onto the back, which is super important, so that you can't get any nonsense in there. So that's very important. That is now has our extra little piece on it, which makes everything super easy. So now that we got that out of the way, we have our solar panel piece. We have our piece that we're going to use also for our solar panel. We'll get to that in just a minute. We have some extra Velcro here. We have our charging cable and a few other items, which we'll be taking a look at. If you do want to put it on a pole, you can do it with this pole adapter mount. They do give you that as well with a set screw on the side. So that makes it nice and easy. And then last but not least, we got to put our front grate on it. And I'm going to show you. And your screws that you have here, we're going to be able to put that on. One second. Looking through the manual here, let's make sure we're getting it right. So that's a set screw from the side. Got it, got it, got it, got it, got it. Those are good. Okay, we're using our little hex screw, as you can see right here. We're going to use our little screw and go in from the bottom. see which one I got. There they are. Comes in this 2 little packet. I opened up the wrong one. Comes in this 2 little packet right here. And we got 2 of them. We're gonna put the grate on just like so. And from the bottom of the unit, we're gonna flip it over. Put our little set screw in. We have our screwdriver. And voila. We are good to go, just like that. Now our grate is on. Done. At this point in time, what we need to do is put our little solar panel up there, which we'll get to in just 1 second. So I'm gonna get that mounted here in just a minute so we can connect it as well from the side. So that's something else we need to make happen, as well as putting on our little cool features. We got this little ball thing. They just screw in. Here. Got another one. Guess they like to be able to play. Just like that. And then there's a couple other little pieces. There's 3 others, which can go on. You can see these little pieces right here. Actually 4 others. These little pieces we're going to add on as well. Guys, and we're moving here. We are absolutely moving and grooving. So let's set these on here. And you can do it in whatever order or fashion, I believe. I don't think there's a rhyme or reason. They do give you a setup, but you can set these up however you want on here. It makes it easy. So we've got these on here. Looks cool. Let's go ahead and put 2 more. One on the front, maybe one on the opposite front. We got 2 things on each side. And I think what you can do is customize based on the types of birds maybe in your area that you have. And we are good to go. All right. Now that we got that, that's how we're going to be looking at the end of the day. Pretty cool little product. Pretty cool little product. Let's set this bad boy down. Let's see what our next step is going to be. So we've got all our connection. I have our power cable, which we need to get set up. We have our status light. We've seen all that, kind of walking through our process here. Super important. You're able to see all that stuff. We've drilled our holes. We put our set screws in. This one, connecting it. We're going to connect it to the bracket. Got it. So there's 2 different options. So you can do the screw in the bottom of the bird seed with 1 piece because we have insulation. So let's go ahead and make that happen. Now this one comes with these guys right here. So, whoops. As we see this, we'll be able to come up here and just like so. Very easy to deal with. And we got this set screw coming in from the bottom and securing her. Super easy. Just like that. That is cool looking. That's cool. All right. Now we got those. Next thing is going to be putting on the solar panel. So let's do that. We got 3 screws to go in for the solar panel to get that taken care of. Again, because I'm going into what I'm going into, I don't need to actually use any drywall screws, and that's okay. So we're gonna go right above this guy so I can get into the sun. Get up here. We're gonna go right above it. We're gonna set the solar panel right on top of it. You can match the bracket here since I already know what the bracket looks like, we can start with one screw and then set it down. But again, just following whatever works for you to get this in. Make that happen. All right, here we go. Boom, just like that. Next one. 2 for 2. 3 for 3. There it is. All right, now that we got those in, pretty much all the hard work is done, ladies and gentlemen. Now it is time to set up the solar panel. So we got our solar panel. Let's go ahead and take it out here. We got our solar panel. We're going to go ahead and connect it on the top here. So let's go ahead and rotate and get this connected. And see, we're gonna move this down just a little bit so we got a good connection, and then you're able to tighten it up on the unit so we get it facing everything that it needs to face, which makes everything super easy. And then next thing is we want to come down and we want to plug it into the power, which if you connected it close enough, you should be able to plug directly into the power and it be good to go. So white cable to black cable, and you're good. We're connected. So now we are on the sun, and that is it. Guys, at the end of the day, the only thing we need to do, fill it up. Let's go ahead and turn the power on. Let's see if we can connect it. We're gonna take this little piece off of it. We gotta get some bird feed, put it in here. We're gonna take our little plastic piece off the front. We're gonna rotate it down. There's a little power button I showed you guys in a previous video or the same video. We're gonna hold down the power button. Should get some lights to pop up. We got a little sound. We have power. That's super cool. And let's go ahead and get the phone out, see if we can get it connected. So we have our Nature Smart app, just like so. Allow notifications, agree and continue, create new account. You're gonna enter in your email address. It's doing a search right now. We got a verification code coming to my phone. You can hear it actually searching to find the Bluetooth here. Oop. Got to spell everything right. That does make things a lot easier. So once you get connected, drop in your email and password, everything's going to pop up and you are good to go. Takes a minute. You're going to connect it to the 2.4 gigahertz. That's where you're going to be going, and you're going to be absolutely good to go. Now the next thing, what I want to accomplish for you guys is actually getting some birds here. So now that we got our setup, you have everything going here. We got our unit, we got our solar panel that's up there collecting all of the sun rays so we can get all this good. We're in our app, and we're going to see if we can see some birds. Hopefully I can catch something for you guys and show you something super cool. Guys, at the end of the day, if you've been watching, following along, you need to definitely check it out.